If you're someone that has a small account and wants to grow it very quickly using a safe trading method on crypto, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to take buys and sells, and then I'm going to show you what the indicators are and how to set them up, and then finally I'm going to backtest it 100 times. So I'm now going to show you how to take buys and sells. So for a buy, the first thing we want is for price to pass over and close above this blue line here, which is the 50 Exponential Moving Average. You can see on this green candle here that the price has closed above it. I'd like to quickly tell you about TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. And secondly, we want to go down here and see that we have a buy signal paint, this little green icon here. That'll be locked in on the close of this candle. The third thing we'll be looking for on this bull bear trend down here is a green histogram to start painting. You can see that we had a red histogram paint there, and then there was 2 candles worth of gap, and then we had a green one lock in on the same candle as the buy. So this would be a valid entry, so we'd set a long position on this. Set your long position on the close of this green candle, which is there. Then we'd set our stop loss at the recent swing low, which is this red wick right here. And then we'd be targeting 1.5 times the risk. So you can see that trade hit. You can see here there's a sell signal that paints, but price hasn't yet closed below this 50 EMA right here, so this isn't a valid entry. We then keep going and wait, and we can see that we have a buy signal paint, but price hasn't closed above, and we currently have a red histogram. And then the next one is the sell indicator right here. Now this is a valid entry because price is below the 50 EMA right here, and we do have the sell indicator paint, which is the second indicator. Enter on the close of this candle, and the stop loss at the recent swing high, you could either put it right here, or if you want to be a bit more conservative, you could put it at this one right here, and then we'll be targeting 1.5 times the risk. You can see that trade hit as well. Just a couple candles later, you can see we had another buy, but that wasn't valid, and then we had another sell with the histogram paint. This trade was valid because it's below the 50 EMA again. We have a red signal for a sell and the red histogram, so we could have entered on the close of this red candle right here, stop loss above this tall candle right here, which is the recent swing high, and then target 1.5 times the risk. So you can see there's 3 examples of 3 profitable trades. 2 sells and 1 buy. The first indicator we use is the 50 EMA right here. That's pretty self-explanatory. You can just go on the indicators up here, type in EMA, and it's this moving average exponential. Just set the length to 50. The second indicator is the QQE. Now to make this a little simpler, I've kept all the inputs the same, but for the style you can remove the fast line and the slow line. This way the chart's just a lot less messy. And finally, this indicator at the bottom is the bull bear power trend, and you could make this a lot less messy by removing everything besides the bull trend histogram, which are these 2 here. So that'd be what it looks like without, so you can see it's a hell of a lot cleaner. So for sales, you'd just be waiting to see these red histograms paint and the green histograms for buy. Okay, so I'm now going to backtest the strategy 100 times. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see the results, and now let's get straight into it. Okay, so these are the backtesting results for the strategy. You can see we had an initial account balance of $1,000 on a demo account, and we took that all the way to $1,805. This was a profit gain of 80%, and we had 64 wins and 36 losses. Overall, this is a very good strategy. I think this is a very safe way, as you're only risking 1% to gain 1.5%. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. We will be uploading videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so feel free to stick around, or if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments. But thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.